like very seafood based, as you'll notice in this lesson. So to start, what kind of foods do you enjoy? Spicy, seafood, vegetarian food, vegan food?
I enjoy eating seafood like salmon, and when I eat them,
Oh,
I think,
salmon's good.
uh, uh,
That's 50 cents.
uh,
Thanks. Yeah, I like salmon too. Do you know what shrimp is?
yes.
I like shrimp too. That's some of my favorite foods. Some shrimp, salmon, lobster. Lobster is like the red one that you see in the cover, the really big one.
Mm, yes.
Okay, let's go on to the reading. So when you're ready, you could read out the reading, and I'll tell you any words that you can mispronounce.
America has much more variety of food than people think. Americans don't just eat burgers, fries, and shakes. In fact, the food enjoyed can vary depending on where in America it is. The country can be divided into five broad uh,
Um, regions, yeah.
regions: Northeast, Midwest, South, Southwest, and West.
Nice job. So the vocab word we have here is region. So it's basically an area of the country. So there's a bunch of regions in America, and you'll find out that the food is not the same.
Oh,
Okay, let's go on to the next reading.
The Northeast is known for its seafood like the lobster roll in New in England. It is sandwich filled with cooked and chilled lobster meat mixed with uh, uh, uh,
Try to sound it out.
mayonnaise.
Mayo.
May- mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise, yeah. So
Mayonnaise.
Americans will just cut the word and they'll just say mayo.
Oh, with mayonnaise or butter. New York is known for its classic New York style pizza, hand tossed, crust,
Crust.
thick and fluffy at the edges and thin at the center, topped with rich mozzarella cheese,
Mozzarella. Yep.
mozzarella cheese and tomato sauce. It's common to see New Yorkers folding their wide, floppy pizza silence a thin,
It's
uh,
slices.
slices in half and eating it like a sandwich.
Yep. Yeah, so as you could see in the picture, you see the people holding up their pizza in the bubbles on the top. They're eating it like a New York style pizza. They take the pizza like it's flat, right? And then you fold it up and then you eat
Oh,
it like a like sideways almost. So some of the vocab words we have here is chilled. Chilled means like a little bit cold. So you eat the lobster with you eat the sandwich with some cold lobster, not like freezing, like a little bit cold. Classic. Classic's like a tradition. So New York has like the traditional classic, the traditional and original. It means the traditional and popular, well known pizza. In Chicago, they have a traditional and well known classic deep dish pizza, which is like a little thicker than the New York thin crust. And then the last word we have is fluffy. Fluffy refers to something that's like light, airy, and soft. So like a kitten, like maybe sometimes they have fluffy fur if their fur is like out to here, you know. Fluffy is a little hard to understand. Do you understand fluffy?
Yes.
You do? Okay. Think of like a cake, like you know how it's like spongy and airy and like easily ate. Okay, let's go on to the next reading.
Uh, mm,
It's a
uh,
state.
pe- penny. Uh,
So you pronounce it like the thing you write with that starts with the P. You can
uh,
erase it too.
penny. Lavin
Yeah,
is
pencil.
not.
Pencil's what you write with. So Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania is not just known for its beef. s- 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 s-
Spash.
specialties.
Specialties. Yeah.
Uh, for its beef specialties like the Philly cheese steak and pepper pot, but also its sweet treats like water ice, soft
Pret. Et.
pretzels,
Pretzels. Yep.
pretzels and souffle pie.
Yep.
The Philly cheese steak is a Philly, Philadelphia,
Yeah, good job. Philadelphia.
Philadelphia, uh,
It's a
uh,
city
uh,
in Pennsylvania.
uh, uh,
I.
icon,
Icon. Yeah. It's like a symbol. Yeah.
icon, thinly sliced steak cooked with onions and peppers, topped with melted cheese, served on a roll. Pat King of steaks and Ge- Geno's
Yep.
steaks are two of the most famous uh, Philea, Philea,
It's Phil.
Phil,
La. Del.
Philadelphia,
Yeah. Philadelphia. Yep.
uh, East, establishments
Yep. Establishments.
that serve Philly cheese steaks.
Nice. Yeah, so Philadelphia is known for their beef specialties because it's not on the coast, it's more inland of the country. So some of the vocab words we have is specialty. Specialty is like something you associate with a place. So in Philadelphia, they specialize in meat, um, and in um, maybe in China, they specialize in dumplings. Um, and then we have the word icon. Icon is like a symbol. Do you know what the Statue of Liberty is?
Yes.
In New York, it's like the lady that's holding the torch. She's green and she's
Oh,
not literally a lady, but it's a statue. A statue means like she's made of stone in the water, holding up the torch, like saying hi to all the immigrants.
yeah.
Do you know who she is?
No, no,
I'll show you. And then so she's a symbol of America. She's an icon of America. Um, and then the last word we have is establishment. Establishment is any kind of restaurant, or like any kind of building, basically. This is the Statue of Liberty.
yes.
All right, let's go on to the comprehension. So once you read the sentence, tell me what you think, true or false.
Uh, Americans just eat burgers, fries, and shakes. False.
False.
New England is known for its lobster roll. True.
True.
America has five regions: northeast, northwest, south, southwest, and west. True.
Mm, Northwest isn't really a region. It's actually the Midwest.
哦哦，那就是fourth. The the northwest is known for its seafood. True.
True. And what's that direction called? The north. The north what? Northeast or northwest?
North. North. Northeast.
Northeast, yeah. I thought I heard you say northwest. That's why. Um, but carrying on. Letter E.
Pennsylvania.
Remember the thing that you write with?
Pennsylvania
Yep.
is known for its beans. Special specialties.
Yeah, what do you think of that one?
Fourth.
False. Beef specialties, right?
New York is known for its classic New York style pasta. Fourth.
False. It's pizza. Yeah. And now letter G. The Philly cheesesteak.
The Philly cheesesteak is a Philly def no
Yeah, Philadelphia.
Philadelphia a con.
Yep. And what do you think?
True.
It's true.
True.
Let's go on to the comprehension. The next one.
He is a music. He is a music. Establishment.
He has a music. This means like a symbol. Do you know what a symbol means?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, he's like a music symbol. He's like a music. So what does A mean? Let's go over what they mean. What does A mean? Specialty? Do you remember what this?
Something that a person is known for making something well.
Yeah, so specialty is like if I go to Shanghai. Shanghai has the dumplings that has the soup in it, right?
Yes.
So that's Shanghai's specialty. It's special for that region. So he has a music specialty. It doesn't really work. He has a music establishment. What's an establishment?
It's a public place used for.
Yep. So is he a music establishment?
Yes. So the answer is specialty.
Yeah, It should be icon.
Hmm?
It should be
Mm,
icon.
mm.
Um, okay, I'm gonna skip the comprehension for now, because that was a lot of reading. Let's go on to discussion. So, is it important to have different kinds of foods, and why?
Uh, I think it is very important because uh, people need to enjoy eating. Um,
Yeah, like a lot of variety is good. Yeah. And what about number two? Do different parts of your country specialize in different types of food?
yes, uh, like uh, dumplings in Shanghai. They are very delicious.
Yep. And then now number three. Have you ever had American food, and how was it?
Um, no, I haven't
Oh,
had. No.
you should try it. Like you haven't had pizza?
Yes, I have.
Pizza's good. And now, what kind of foods do you like and dislike?
I like um, meat, and I dislike some bitter vegetables.
Yeah, maybe like lima, like certain beans. I don't like certain types. Um, there's like string beans. I don't really like that. Okay, that's our last question for the lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna send you the survey, and hopefully I'll see you next time. All right?
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.